Hello students, good afternoon. I hope you did well in this chapter. Alright, that is, the chapter name was amine. So today we are going to discuss the doubts of test number 10. Okay, so now test number 10. And even after completion of this organic, alright, you should solve some questions of organic from your book itself, because organic is very important subject, very important part of chemistry, right? And there will be complete marking, full marking in organic chemistry. So you can fetch, alright, more marks by giving less attempt. You can save your time in exam hall, because solving question in organic does not require any calculations. So only manipulation, interpretation, applying concepts and all give you the result. Okay, so be careful, alright, while solving organic questions. Now according to you, which you have sent the questions, that is, your doubt number is 50. However, you should ask also the doubt number 46, but you have not asked. So in anyways, I will discuss the question number 46 also. 46, 50, then after 57, and very few people are asking doubts. Remaining rest of the things, they are enjoying lockdown, I think so, I hope so. Okay, especially, alright, my comment is there for Arijit, okay, who is completely vanishes, who disappear and taking full advantage of lockdown. 60, 64, 65, 66, 69, then 77. That's it. Total number of doubt is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, very good. Yesterday also it was 10. Today also 10. So 10 out of 45. Now we'll see one by one. So question number 46, actually this is, alright. What is the question number 46? They are asking which of the following is not basic. However, the question must be which of the following is most basic. Not basic, all are basic, right? Nitrogen containing compounds are basic in nature. Some of them are strong base, some of them are weaker base. Alright, answer which is given C, that is, actually question is wrong. So you must get grace mark over there, because question could be like which of the following is most basic. It's not. In place of not, it must be most basic. Then the answer third is correct. Now your question is how third is correct? Because see, nitrogen, lone pair on nitrogen is free. They are not involved in resonance. In option number 3, there is NH. So this lone pair is not involved in resonance. They are more free and therefore they can be easily donated. So this nitrogen is most basic among the 4 options which is given. In first option, that is pyridine. However, lone pair is not delocalized with their pi system, but even though lone pair is present on sp2 hybridized carbon, lone pair, however, it is not delocalized with the pi system, but nitrogen lone pair is available on sp2 hybridized nitrogen, and therefore their basic character is relatively less. Then if second option, if you see, the lone pair is in conjugation with the ring itself, so the lone pair is involved in the ring and therefore basic character is less. And fourth option again, aniline, lone pair is involved in the ring and therefore their basic character is less. If you see the order of basic character, so most basic is C. If suppose question is like this, arrange them in order of decreasing basic character. So most basic is C. Then after the basic is, alright, A. Then after B, and least is of D. This will be the order of their basic character of given amine in options. Okay, it was question number 46. Now the question number 50. Question number 50 is what? See. Question number 50. There is cyclopropene to amine 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is what? Cyclopropene amine. This reacts with NaNO2 and HCl. NaNO2 and HCl. So what it forms? This will generate N2 plus over there. N2 plus, which breaks to give carbocation plus. This carbocation which is being formed, this is becoming aromatic, and therefore they will try to remain in the form of aromatic, because in aromatic form they get stabilized. So this will appear in the form of salt. So this plus and Cl minus, there will be no reaction further. So this will be the answer, and answer correct option is given B. So their answer is B. Now next is question number 57. Question number 57 is what? See, the major product formed in the reaction is, there is ketone, it reacts with cyclohexylamine, over here nitrogen. So obviously what it forms? There is para-tosyl group in benzene C6H6 and heat. So their role is to convert corresponding alcohol after addition of this into good living group, and then it forms, there will be double bond in this nitrogen is plus. Alright, imine, this imine is formed. Further there is on alpha position, there is hydrogen, this bond is transferred, so they undergo tautomerization. Actually this process is tautomerization, and then it forms corresponding enamine. There is in, over here amine. See where is the product given. Which product is given? First option. So first option is the correct option. Next is question number 59. Question number 59. Consider the following sequence of reaction. Reaction sequence is CH2CH2 plus Br2 in CCl4. Alright, Br2 we have taken 1 mole. Okay, so obviously what will happen? This bond is transferred, then this bond will be transferred, this bond will be transferred. There will be double bond, at this place there will be bromine, at this place there will be bromine. Now after that we will use KCN. This is the compound which is formed A. KCN, and this is taken in excess. Okay, if it is taken in excess, what will happen? There will be substitution at this place and form CN and CN, followed by the reduction of by H2Ni. See, if it undergo reduction, what it forms? C. Cn gets reduced to CH2NH2. This double bond gets reduced to single bond. This gets reduced to CH2NH2. See, where is the option? This option is correct option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 carbon and 2 nitrogen. 6 carbon, 2 nitrogen. Second option is the correct option. Next is question number 60. Question number 60 is, the major product of the reaction is, NO2 over here double bond O, OCH3. Alright, 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon in the chain. Then what will happen? They undergo reduction first in presence of H2Ni. So NO2 group is reduced to NH2 group. over here OCS3, there is double bond O. This lone pair approaches to this sister group, this position is transferred, this bond will be transferred and it will become like this. NH attached with this C double bond O. Okay, over here double 2-methyl group at this place. So see where is the structure given. Okay, the structure is given in the option number C. So for them option number C is correct. Next is question number 64. Question number 64. 64 is the major product X formed in the reaction is. This is 64. So major product formed in the reaction is given double bond O, over here COH, it reacts with N3H in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. This is the first reagent. Second reagent is hydrolysis and heat. So what it forms? This undergo, there will be Schmidt reaction, double bond O at this place. At this place there will be NH2. Okay, at this place there will be NH2. So their correct option is B. So B is the correct option. Alright, their answer is given A. So there must be key correction in question number 64. Now question number 65. 65, what sequence of reaction would be best accomplished for the following reaction? Reaction is given over here C triple bond N, and which reagent we use to convert them into this particular compound. If we use first option, suppose if we use lithium aluminium hydride, so in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, it will become CH2 NH2. Then after, if this reacts with 3 moles of CH3I, 3 moles of CH3I, what it forms? It forms NCH3, CH3 and CH3. This nitrogen is plus. Okay. Now after that, what is there? What is the reagent we are using? After that, we will use AgOH and heat. So what it will do? OH minus will abstract this proton as from beta position. This bond is transferred and this bond will be over here. CH2 is one of the group itself. So over here, this is the structure like this. Okay, now, so this will be at this place there is hydrogen. So hydrogen will be migrated to this place. This bond is transferred. This bond is transferred towards nitrogen. So what it forms then? It forms double bond CH2 and plus methyl 3 mole N, that is tertiary amine is produced. So this product is formed by the use of first option. So correct option is A. What's wrong with second option? Second option is what? That is lithium aluminium hydride. They will reduce them into CH2 NH2. And the P2O5, there is no dehydrating, that is dehydrating reagent, and there is no dehydration because oxygen is not there in the product. Then third option, what's wrong with that? With 20% sulfuric acid, if we heat them with 20% sulfuric acid, what will happen? It forms corresponding cyclohexene, and further there will be no oxygen, so there will be no there will be no action of P2O5 on the product. If there is fourth option is H2PD and BaSO4, so there will be 1 mole reduction, it will become CH double bond NH, that is imine. Further no conversion of this substrate into this product. So best option is first option, to convert this one into the corresponding methylidene cyclobutane molecules. Methylidene cyclobutane molecules is the name of product. So this is question number 65. Now 66. Question number 66 is what? So 2-amino benzoic acid. 2-amino benzoic acid. So at this place there is NH2. Fine. We'll use NaNO2 plus HCl. So NaNO2 plus HCl, NH2 group will be converted to N2 plus Cl minus. So this will become N2 plus and Cl minus. Further, what will happen? This is reacting with, okay, this one furan ring. This will be double bond, okay. So what it will form? See, over here double bond, okay. Then N2 plus, which is best leaving group, what will happen? They will be eliminated. Double bond at this place, double bond at this place, and now this there is double bond, there is double bond. Simply there will be addition, and over here COH. Simply there will be addition. So what will happen? This bond, this is having plus charge. So this bond is being transferred, or this bond is being transferred to this plus charge. Then it will become like this. Over here COH, and there is double bond. At this place there will be this carbon is attached. This is attached, this carbon is attached. Over here oxygen, there is double bond, and now this is plus. So this bond will be transferred to from this place, okay. Then it forms over here COH, at this place oxygen, over here oxygen, this bond will be attached to them, and after this double bond, and over here plus. This double bond will be transferred, this double bond will be transferred. This double bond will be transferred. So this is not the structure which is being formed by them. Rather, what we'll do, over here see, at this place N2 plus, okay, and now this is reacting with 1,3-diene. So this bond will be transferred to them, this bond will be transferred, and this bond will be transferred, this will be moving out. So what will happen then? There will be double bond, over here COH, okay, at this place, this is the structure, this structure is attached with this, there will be double bond, and over here this bond is transferred. So there is plus charge will be at which position? Nitrogen is placed over here, nitrogen N2 plus is placed over here. This will become N2 plus Cl minus. N2 plus Cl minus. This is good leaving group. This is good leaving group. And now there is addition of conjugated diene, undergo addition of this carbon to carbon multiple bond. So what will happen? Then if this bond is being transferred to this place, this bond is transferred to this place, this bond is transferred to this place, and if they will be transferred to this place, this N2, if we will keep this, N2 will be over here, this undergo addition of these two. Sorry, there is addition of this to this carbon. Addition of this to this carbon. If addition of this to this carbon is there and N2 plus still it is there, so since this bond is being transferred and taken up, so fine, it's alright. This nitrogen is there and this nitrogen will remain. So this will be the compound which is like this. Over here N2 plus, over here COH, then this is attached like this. Is there any option like this? See? So the probable answer is D, where one N2 plus is left out in the option itself. And where is double bond at this place, double bond at this place. So again this question is wrong. So this question is wrong. If you think about third option, is there any possibility of formation of third option? Simply N2 plus is being N2 plus, will accept them at their positions. So this bond is transferred. Again there will be no other chance, no chance of formation of C. So and this question is again, you will get grace mark. Next. Next is question number 69. Question number 69. Now see the question number 69. Over here double bond O. At this place there is NO2. We took OH minus and Br2. So OH minus and Br2. Over it will become Br. Double bond O. NO2. Further what will happen? Okay. Further OH minus will attack to this carbon, this bond is transferred. So this will become like this. Over here NO2, at this place O minus, and over here OH, at this place there is Br. This O minus will return back, this bond is transferred, so it will become like at this place there is NO2, at this place there is NO2, then adjacent to that, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5, from 5th position we have C double bond O, OH, then this is what? N. From this what we do? We do the action of CH3, CH2, O minus. So what it forms? It forms corresponding ester. So there will be formation of nitroester. NO2 at this place, there will be double bond O. I think you are able to observe the reaction at this level. Okay. Over here double bond O, at this place there will be OC2H5. So at this place there will be OC2H5. Okay. This is the question number 69. What option is given? Is there any option over there? So option number C. C is the right answer. Next is question number 77. Question number 77. The compound that will react most readily with NaOH to form methanol is. So, suppose first option we will take CH3N, CH3, CH3 nitrogen is plus, over here I minus. Over here CH3, one more CH3. So, this is the salt and it is treated with OH minus. So, then what will happen over there? With OH minus, it will become OH minus approaches to this carbon, this bond is transferred. So NCH3, CH3, CH3, tertiary amine plus there will be formation of CH3OH. Okay. So where is the option? And nitrogen is having positive charge. Third option, sulfur is having positive charge. Among these two, if we compare nitrogen positive charge, nitrogen is more electron withdrawing than sulfur because of more electron withdrawing nature, alright, because of more electronegativity character, and therefore this gives this reaction a little faster than the third option. So this is more reactive. So answer is A, that is correct option. A is given. Alright. Over here, however, in A, we are, and C, we are comparing in between nitrogen and sulfur. Nitrogen is more electron withdrawing, therefore this bond is weaker than sulfur carbon bond. Okay. Therefore, third option is, instead of third option, first option is the right answer. If first option is not there, and then the third option is the correct answer. Okay. This is what the question number 77, and this is all about your doubt which you have asked. Alright. Thank you very much. Thank you.